Hi everybody, I'm Christina Vonti Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make one of my favorite salads of all time. It's a butter lettuce salad, and basically the inspiration for this salad comes from one of my favorite restaurants in Los Angeles. It's called Cecconi's. I get this salad every time I go there. So what I've tried to do is I've tried to copy what they do. It's not exactly the same, but it's pretty close, and my husband and I love this salad. It's a butter lettuce salad. It has tomato, cucumber, avocado, some carrots, and some microgreens. And then they put a champagne vinaigrette on the salad. And we made the champagne vinaigrette in a different video, so you have to check that one out, but it's right here ready to go. So to make things easy, I just buy the butter lettuce in the bag. You can buy a head of it from Costco or wherever your grocery store is, that's fine too. But I like things fast and simple, so this is what we're doing. When I do tomatoes, I always like to cut them in half. So we're just gonna cut them in half really quick. Actually, I'm gonna cut them in quarters because these are kind of long, big grape tomatoes. So I'll get those chopped up, ready and prepped. Okay, so here's the tomato, my cucumber. You gotta buy a mandolin if you don't have one. They are amazing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut off the edge really quick. I'm gonna quickly just do this. Last but not least, we're just gonna cut up an avocado. This one seems really, really ripe, which is good. You don't want your avocado to be too mushy. You want it to be nice and yellowish green inside. I like to just do that with my avocado. I will not cut my finger on an avocado ever, and most people cut their finger when they're doing avocado in their kitchen. So I won't do it. I always grab a butter knife after I've cut it in half, and I just go, you just want to cube your avocado. I'm just going this way. Even if the knife were to poke through, it's a butter knife, people, not gonna hurt me. So now I've got my avocado ready with its little quarters. So there's your preparation, all right? The salad is basically ready. So one thing we learned in culinary school forever ago is people eat with their eyes first. So I like to make everything look as pretty as I can. Listen, I'm not the food stylist of the century by any stretch of the imagination, but I always like to think about, okay, this has got to look nice. So I like to start with carrot. So we're just going to around the sides. You want to kind of get it evenly over the salad. You want to get a little layer of orange going. If you like more carrot, certainly put it on there. Next is I do the cucumber, kind of just all around the edges here. Super simple. And then the tomatoes. Got to get a little red in there. These are beautiful. And we will get the avocado going now. And I'm gonna serve this right away. If you're not gonna serve it right away, you definitely wanna put some kind of a citrus or lime on your avocado. Avocado is high in vitamin E, good for the skin. I just like to use the microgreens at the very end. This is what they do at the restaurant too, and it's so good and delicious. And there you go, my butter lettuce salad with champagne vinaigrette. I am not going to toss it and put it together right now because I'm going to eat it later, and I do not want to make this salad a soggy salad. That would not be fun. Anyways, enjoy. I hope you try out this recipe. Thanks again for watching.
Like, save, share, and remember you are deeply loved by God.